Hey Environmental Science and Sustainability students. My name is Shan and I work for IFSA, a non-profit study abroad organisation. I'm here to assure you that environmental science and sustainability students do go abroad, and you should too. There are lots of reasons to go abroad, from learning a language to exploring a different culture to getting a fresh perspective on your academic major, and even just to spend time in some place totally different from where you normally live. There's another important reason for environmental science and sustainability students to go abroad. Students who go on to environmental science and sustainability careers are some of the most likely professionals to work on international teams, whether in industry or academia. The global perspective and cross-cultural communication skills you gain through an undergraduate study abroad experience will help set you apart from your peers, which is especially important when you're applying for jobs with graduate school in the future. Environmental science and sustainability subjects we offer, how you find engineering and computer science classes abroad, examples of IFSA programs and how you can get more information is what will be covered in the next part of this webcast. Let's jump in. So what environmental science and sustainability majors can do IFSA programs? Well, the exciting answer is that all of them can. IFSA has programs all around the world at excellent host institutions, and because of that, we can work with students from all areas of environmental science and sustainability. Many students feel like they have to find major specific classes to take while abroad in order to do a program. It can definitely be true, but with some planning, you'll be able to find the right opportunity, and IFSA can help. On the IFSA website, you can find a searchable course database called Chart, where you can log in and search for classes offered abroad and taken by recent IFSA students. You can search for classes by title or academic discipline, or even just to search to see what type of classes are commonly offered on specific study abroad programs. There are thousands of listings to explore. If you cannot find what you need, you can submit a request in the system, and IFSA staff will look for classes on our programs and let you know if there are any options for you. The IFSA professional program advisors are also a wonderful resource, and they work closely with all students who apply to our programs. One other thing to keep in mind is that with IFSA, you can take advantage of extra experiential learning options while you're abroad. Many students will replace an elective class with a credit-bearing research experience or an internship in order to further boost their resume while abroad. Now I'm going to switch gears and show you example programs that are great for environmental science and sustainability students. IFSA has programs all around the world, and I'm going to highlight these by region. If there is a particular city, country, or region of the world you're interested in, then get in touch with IFSA and we can find the right fit. The first IFSA programs in Latin America. In Latin America, you will need some Spanish language to enroll at our IFSA partner institutions, but you'll have the opportunity to study alongside students from Costa Rica and Peru and really broaden your future opportunities. In Costa Rica, nestled between mountains within reach of ecological sites, national parks, beautiful beaches, and nearby hiking trails, you'll find great academic opportunities at top-ranked Universidad Nacional. Or consider Peru, which features the rainforest, archaeological treasures, and the ancient Incan capital city of Cusco in the Andes Mountains. Peru has one of the Earth's richest ecosystems, including the Pacific coastline, the Andes Mountains, and the Amazon rainforest. In addition to its natural wonders, it is home of many of UNESCO's World Heritage Sites. In these Latin America sites, you can engage in individualized field research with faculty experts on a contemporary issue of interest. We can participate in a part-time credit-bearing internship at sites that may include NGOs, local corporations, or government organisations. In the UK, you could have the quintessential college town Scottish university experience studying on the coast at the University of St Andrews, but only a short train ride from the bustling city of Edinburgh. From the coast of Scotland to the coast of Ireland, absorb the bohemian atmosphere of Galway as you study in the seaside town known as the cultural heart of the country, in a city in which you will surely feel welcomed by the friendly residents. At these highly regarded institutions, take a variety of environmental science and sustainability courses across a number of disciplines and make memories to last a lifetime. In Asia, you can study on the tropical island of Sri Lanka, and as an IELTS student, you'll learn the local language and culture, study with renowned faculty, and conduct independent field research on a topic of your choice. Living in the city of Kandy, you can develop the tools you need to navigate complex socio-cultural landscapes as a cultural insider and informed researcher. Finally, we'll head to Oceania. The IFSA-James Cook University Partnership Program is highly regarded for their study of the Australian wet tropics and the Great Barrier Reef at their two campuses. The Cairns campus is located beside a rainforest and is 30 miles from the beach. Cairns also happens to be the closest city to the Great Barrier Reef, so it is the centre of marine biology-related studies. The Townsville campus is located beside a natural bushland which is home to extensive native Australian wildlife like wallabies and kangaroos, kookaburras and cockatoos. Make the most of the many environmental science classes which have fieldwork components and research opportunities to take you out of the classroom for hands-on learning. Or take advantage of the IFSA University of Otago partnership in Dunedin, New Zealand. The South Island has some of the world's most picturesque scenery in which to study environmental science and sustainability. The University of Otago has a research vessel docked at its marine centre on the harbour, which takes students on field trips beginning at freshman level. Beaches, glaciers, lakes and fjords and mountains are all easily accessible from your base in Dunedin, equally enjoyable as fieldwork sites or for leisure activities. So now that you're interested in going abroad, what should you do next? To see details about the programs I highlighted and also explore other opportunities, visit the IFSA website. You can see program details, scholarship information, and use our great search tool called Global Wayfinder. Global Wayfinder lets you search for programs by criteria like academic majors, program semester and location, but it also lets you narrow things down further by available activities and day-to-day living experiences, such as hobbies you'd like to explore while abroad. You can even search programs with career stepping stones if you'd like to find a program that allows you to pursue an internship or research as part of your time abroad. As I mentioned before, you should definitely go on the IFSA website and use our chart searchable course database to explore the classes you might take while on an IFSA program. In the system, you can access class descriptions and sometimes syllabi, which will be great to show your academic department as you prepare to go abroad. Lastly, if you haven't already done so, check out your home campus study abroad website so you can learn the policies and application process to go abroad. This is especially important to talk with them about the IFSA programs that your campus uses. Some universities and colleges send their students on all IFSA programs, and some pick and choose which IFSA programs they prefer their students attend. Now is also a great time to contact your academic advisor to let them know that you want to include a study abroad program in your degree plan. I hope this has been helpful, and I look forward to seeing you on an IFSA program.